It's been a long time. So if you're new here, I'm Nayoka and this is Shares and Adventures, where we give an informed perspective through entertainment. I don't like YouTube anymore. And I'm gonna give you guys 5 reasons why I don't like YouTube. Alright, so make we go outside though. It's getting warm and I wanna take you guys outside. Why I don't like YouTube anymore? Well, the main reason I don't like YouTube anymore is because of the monetization process. So compared to other social media platforms, I believe that YouTube makes it extremely difficult for content creators. I mean, you need 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers. I think that's reasonable. But 4,000 watch hours to become monetized, and all those hours don't count towards your money. I don't think that's right. All the work you put in for 4,000 watch hours and no money. Like after you're monetized, that's when you start getting things start getting calculated, and that's when ads come on. But I don't think that's fair.
Oh really? Like how many videos did you do before you got monetized, roughly?
I would say probably around 50 to 80 videos. So all those videos and all the watch time I had to become monetized did not count towards the money I earned, and I don't think that's right. So,
oh really? Wow. I didn't know that. That's a good insight.
yeah, I mean, the first few videos that you do is probably when you put the most creativity and the most energy in your videos, and to know that all those views, I mean, if you go ahead and watch the videos over, then I'll get money for it through the ads. But if not, all those videos, all those watch time, all those views don't count towards my money.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I don't like that. So meet me back inside and then I'll tell you the second reason why I don't like YouTube anymore. And now our place is dark. Also guys, I want you guys to be aware of the fact that you have to get your 4,000 watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers in 12 months. So you need to do that within your first year of starting YouTube. And that's crazy because as a creator, different things can happen in your life that, you know, stop you from creating content. So if you can't commit to a year to complete this, then you won't become monetized. And becoming monetized is usually a YouTuber's goal, I think. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, so I'm not standing awkwardly the whole video, I'm gonna just go and sit and explain the other things that I don't like about YouTube. I wanted to show off my wall art. Okay, you guys want to see? So this is what I do to represent my Jamaican pride. So I have my Usain Bolt, Marcus Garvey, and the big man Vibes Cartel.
Gaza forever.
Tell me guys what you think about my accent wall, but this is how you know I'm Jamaican. Anyways, let me go over here and go sit down and talk to you guys. Alright, so the next thing about YouTube that I don't like is how sensitive their copyright system is and their community guidelines. I completely understand that using other people's content is illegal and it should not be encouraged, but here on YouTube, they really do promote you using original content. I feel like it does make it a little bit difficult for YouTubers to, you know, really execute a completely entertaining video. You can't really do a spin-off or, you know, dance and music definitely enhance a video, right? We must agree. And we are seeing how TikTok is using and taking full advantage of this, where, you know, you can dance to songs and, you know, it gives people it gives creators an extra boost with their creativity. I like music, so for me, if I was able to use music on my videos, you guys would have probably get to see more of my creativity or my personality. So on TikTok, they give you an X amount of time that you can use particular songs. On YouTube, there's no distinctive, you know, sometimes you slip in a song, but be sure that you're nervous when the video is being uploaded, because there's a huge potential for you to get a copyright strike when you're on YouTube. So that's something I find very difficult as a creator. Also, I know a lot of the times people would say, oh, I like outdoor videos, but we can admit when we're outdoor, we can't really control sounds. Like if there's a car passing or, you know, music in the background, your whole video can be subjected to be terminated or affect your whole YouTube, because you only have 3 strikes. You have 3 strikes to go against your copyright system. So you don't want to do a video that's extremely creative and then it goes against you as a creator. So I find that very difficult, I must say. Also, for the community guidelines, it's also extremely sensitive as well. So even your thumbnail can be an issue for you as a YouTube creator. I actually made a video with me and Shaun, and they thought the picture was compromising, and we did get a warning for that. So even down to your thumbnails, or if there's something in your video that someone might deem as inappropriate, it can go against you. And that's hard because you need a very engaging thumbnail to get people to click on the video, but you know, being creative and getting people to engage can also be a disadvantage to you. So I don't know if you're seeing how this can really affect your creativity. So you're expected to be super creative, but at the same time there's a thin line between being super creative and going against guidelines. So it's hard. Yeah, I don't even know if you guys know about a popular YouTuber, King and Che, who actually lost their first YouTube channel that was almost at 100,000 just because they had an old video, one of their oldest video that actually got reported for sexual or inappropriate behavior. There was nothing, a lot of people could say that there was nothing sexual about the video, but someone deemed it sexual and they lost their entire channel for that. So just imagine, as a creator, you're creating all these bomb videos and at one point something goes off and then you can lose your entire channel. That don't feel good. It's stressful, it's hard. So I don't like that about YouTube. Alright guys, so another thing I don't like about YouTube is the fact that the videos have to be extremely long for you guys to get paid off YouTube. And as you guys probably know, because you guys probably have this issue, is that we now have really short attention span. Like most people that's on social media just want a quick entertainment, and then for you to make money off YouTube, your videos will have to be at least 8 minutes long. So you know, you have to think about how long you have to edit that, and once it's shorter than that, you won't get ads on the videos. So most times people wonder, oh, why this person rambling? Is because they need to get ads on the video. Alright, so the 4th thing I hate about YouTube is YouTube algorithm don't make no sense. Like YouTube algorithm, you have a bunch of YouTube videos on YouTube that try to explain how to figure out the algorithm, and it's so hard. Sometimes they say it's a thumbnail, sometimes they say it's your tag, sometimes it's just so much different things, and none of them can really guarantee success. I find that on other platforms, once you do a nice video or something that's super creative, chances are it will get the reach that it deserves. On YouTube, I can have a really extremely, you know, great video. I see a lot of great videos with very low views. It doesn't get pushed, and that can really kill someone's creativity, because you have a lot of hidden gems on YouTube that somehow just get, you know, lost in the sauce. I don't know how, I don't know why, but I just feel like the algorithm, you know, it's not a great system to recognize great creators. Yeah, so the algorithm system for YouTube is a very undefined route to success. Like, you can never be sure if YouTube will, you know, help to push your videos. Alright, so the last thing I don't like about YouTube is the fact that the app is very difficult to use. Like, oftentimes I would have my subscribers say, you know, they don't know, you know, how to make a comment, or the comment section, like the app is not very, you know, easy to use, easy to click. Like, you know, on Instagram, you just double tap and then that will show that people like the video. Let's be honest, I feel like most, the mature audience that does use social media is on YouTube. The ones that have long attention span, interested in, you know, current affairs, can watch long videos. They don't know how to use it, and oftentimes I find that my subscribers have a difficult time to make comments or even just to engage with the videos on YouTube, which engagement is very important. So these things fight against the creator. It goes against, you know, allowing the videos to really be as successful as they could be. So these are the things about YouTube that I don't like. If there's anything else, if you're a YouTuber, or if there's anything about YouTube that you don't like as a viewer, you can comment down below in the comment section. There might be things that I am forgetting. I'm sure a lot of my audience has no clue some of the difficulties that a creator have to go through, how much work goes in to create an 8 to 10 minute video. So I'm just advocating for smaller YouTubers and just giving you guys an insight on what really goes on behind the scenes. But I must say YouTube has its upsides, because here on YouTube it has helped me in so many different ways. It has helped my creativity. I love the space. I love making videos for you guys. Even though I have difficulties and working around these hiccups and issues, making videos for you guys is not something I want to stop doing anytime soon. So show me some love, engage with this video, comment down below if there's any video that you would like, or any feedback from this video that you would want to share. Please go ahead and feel free to communicate with me. I'm gonna send you guys home now because you've been here too long. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Bye.